I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2019 Jaguar XF. So we hit the search button here from the home screen, search button, and we want PR54EA, and then click enter. Searching offline. Were you looking for this? Yes. Well, I'm sat on the forecourt, but start.
After 250 yards, turn right and then make a U-turn.
That's it. So I'm sat on the forecourt. I've confused it. But also what you can do, which is a great thing, no messing about with Jaguar Land Rover. If you go back to the home screen, you're getting near your home, you don't need instructions anymore. You'll see you go back to the home screen and you can cancel navigation there. It's a brilliant system. Okay, this Jaguar XF has got wired CarPlay, which means that it will only work if I have a USB lead from my phone to the USB socket in the front central armrest. However, I don't particularly like wired Bluetooth because it means you have to get your phone out, then you've got your phone somewhere and there's never anywhere to put it. It does keep it charged, but it's not something I like. But a few months ago I was sent this. Now normally it just plugs in like so. Just plugs in like so, and you don't need anything else. I always carry this because in Range Rovers it won't fit in the little compartment, so I carry this extension lead. On the Jaguar I don't need it, it's perfect. And you will see now what's happened. On the dashboard, use iPhone Bluetooth Connect to AI Box BT. We go into settings and then look out at the bottom, AI Box BT, click that. Pairing request, you don't need to, you just click pair there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Now just watch here. Connect. Apple CarPlay. So now it's Bluetooth. Every time you get in the car while that's plugged in, you can use your Apple CarPlay. And Apple CarPlay is just the best. There you go, YouTube Music, WhatsApp, and you can use it all by just a 2-second press on here to tell your Apple CarPlay what to do. You don't need to touch your phone at all.